There we go, it's working now. Fresh chemtrails. See the long wispy? There's real clouds, big puffies, and then there's long wispy trails. Every long wispy trail is a chemtrail. Over there's a bunch of wispy trails that are stretching into a haze. That plane right there is going to stripe the sky over and over and over again until it becomes white and hazed. You can already see it developing. The large cloud here, that's real cloud. All of this white wispy haze in the background is a result of these chemtrails. All of this here, chemtrail haze, chemtrail haze, chemtrail haze. Here we go. Fresh chemtrail. For you and me to breathe. Thanks, Uncle Sam. I need that.